Topps Museum Bird, break 4208. We are full good luck. Dice roll 9 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Reds up top, Pirates at the bottom. Okay, 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Roy up top, Josh Cox at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Reds did not sort. They're up top. Topps Museum Bird. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. I remember I opened it.
Pretty sick. 2 pretty sick Uno de Unos.
What's the box at?
Again, guys, keep grabbing your spots on the site. A lot of cheap breaks on the site. Gobble them up. A lot of gobble breaks. Prices on product you won't see anywhere else. I'm actually surprised they're not full. Here we go. Good luck. Got Tyler. Messed my dang sleeves up. Well, Spence did. What saves Tyler?
I haven't written much last night, man.
I don't think nobody did. Bo Bichette to 150. Blue Jays. Toronto. Mallory. Got base of Soto. Base of Jordan Walker. Canvas collection of Nestor Cortez Jr. I don't know who he is.
Pitcher.
This is a sick patch. To 10. Jonah Heim. 4 out of 10. Meaningful materials, 4 color. Light blue, red, dark blue, little light blue up there in the right corner.
There you go, Jordan.
That's sick, man. Sick patch. Nasty. Spence uses some kind of word when he hits something like that. Ozzie Smith. He says like chunky or something.
Chunky patch.
Joey Votto. Base of Miguel Vargas on the rook. Ichiro. It's going to go to the Yanks. Got a nice one coming up. For Mike Hatton. 1 out of 10 on card of Acuna.
Bang.
Hi there, little Mikey Hatton. There you go, Mike.
$13.
Where can you hit $13 Acunas? Just smack them. Again, guys, he should be flying for $13. There's 2 boxers on there. They should be flying at that price.
Evan Vogel hopping into the next bird. Good luck, Evan.
Manny Machado. Vaughn Grissom. On the rook. $42.8. Anthony is the break we're running. Bryce Harper. Another Brave. Meaningful Materials to 50 of Austin Riley. This patch ain't as nice. Jeez. Alex Rodriguez, 5 out of 10.
That's sick.
Look at them patches, man.
Game used. You love to see it.
You don't see that much anymore. Game used material. That patch guy's like he slid or something now. Got some brown dirt.
What other color would dirt be, Bob?
Could be black. There's black dirt. Last pack. Anthony Rizzo, base. Clayton Kershaw, base. Bobby Witt Jr., base. Kyle Tucker, base. Dustin Pedroia, 38 out of 99 for the Red Sox.
There you go, Clayton.
Pretty good break, guys. Again, this is $13 break for the early birds, 32 for a 2-boxer. Again, these should be flying at these prices. We'll be ripping this stuff all day. Let's recap it. Again, I ripped that one, so Spence is going to rip the next museum, the next jersey. Then I get to rip 3 definitive in a row. You got to rip all that. Acuna, just kidding.
Hey, by all means, man. Your case can be better than mine. There you go.
I just want to rip one. I just like to rip one of them. I ain't got to rip any of it yet. So just want to do fine with me, Spence. Again, guys, these are $13. These should be flying. Pretty nice product.